Ever wondered which AI chatbot can answer your questions like a pro? Hi, I'm Josh. Welcome to AIChief, your go-to channel for the best in-depth reviews and comparisons of AI tools. Today, it's Google Bard versus ChatGPT in an epic face-off. Let's find out which chatbot reigns supreme in the world of AI assistants. Before we dive in, remember to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell for more insightful comparisons like this one. Starting with a quick overview, Google Bard, known as Gemini, captures real-time web data. It gives accurate, up-to-date answers straight from the Google web. On the other hand, ChatGPT, created by OpenAI, is a conversation master. It offers detailed, nuanced responses with a friendly vibe. When it comes to interface, Bard offers a sleek, minimalist, and Google-powered interface. It is perfect for fast searches and asking questions instantly. ChatGPT's interface, however, is simple yet intuitive and has a chat-based design. It gives users more structured, dialogue-driven conversations. When it comes to performance, Bard wins with live web integration. It is great for the latest news and quick facts. Conversely, ChatGPT excels at creative conversations. It is perfect for brainstorming or in-depth explanations. Talking about key features, Bard connects seamlessly with Google services, while ChatGPT offers rich dialogue and personalized responses. Bard is great for real-time answer research, while ChatGPT is ideal for creative tasks, writing, and problem-solving. Pricing. Talking about numbers, both are free, but ChatGPT Plus comes with a paid plan that offers a faster response for $20/month. Alright folks, it's a decision time. If you are looking for fast facts, go with Bard. For a conversation with depth, ChatGPT is your guy. So, which AI wins your vote? Drop it in the comments. Thank you for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to AIChief for more insights on the best AI tools.